All right, guys. So we're heading out to the river today in San Diego. I was actually in Texas for a couple weeks. I tried to do some bass fishing, but it was not all that successful. Really, I tried to film 2 episodes and I didn't get anything. So yeah, kind of missed out on Texas, but it's all right. I'm back in California, and honestly, the weather's been nice. I really think that we still got some topwater fish that can be caught. It's a little later in the year, but this is fall in San Diego. The weather barely started getting cold. I think this is the time. I got a frog tied on. If that's not working, then I'm gonna be throwing these right into the bushes as far as I can get it. You guys will see. Yeah, I'm just gonna try my best and see what we can make happen. All right, guys, so we made it. I just have to finish blowing up my float tube. I kind of halfway inflated it because it makes it a little bit easier when you're coming out here, and you got to do this all by mouth. Yeah, I don't have a pump, so we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Yeah, should be fun. And we're off. So today I'm gonna be starting with this little frog because I don't know, I have a feeling, and I didn't catch too many this year at all on a frog, so it's kind of why I want to give it a try. Guys, I'm just trying to find a lot of cover. There's a lot of little holes in these weeds, guys, those little black spots. Don't be afraid to throw in them. Look at that. Yes, you're gonna get a couple birds' nests here and there, but overall you're probably gonna get a couple more bites too. Oh shit. I got one, guys. You like that? Freaking tank. Guys, it's harder to fish by yourself than you think. I always recommend bringing a partner if you can, but boy, is it fun. Look at that fish right there. I've been here for probably 10 minutes. Probably a 3-pounder, 3.5-pounder. Nice solid sized fish right there. Just gonna let him go real quick. Give me 1 second. I'll try to get a release shot for you. Oh yeah, nice little bass. Guys, so that frog that I'm using, you guys saw at the beginning of the video, it's the 13 fishing popping frog. I really like it so far. Guys, so that's gonna end the video. I wasn't able to get on more than one fish today, but it was super fun. First time I've actually came out here to the river by myself, and it was kind of a success. I caught one about 3-pounder, and in my books that's a win. So I gotta go though, because my hamstrings are starting to cramp up. I gotta head home before I can't get out of here. So I will see you guys probably next time. I'm gonna guess in a week or two. Let's see. I'm actually going fishing with Jason either tomorrow or this coming up Friday, the 18th. Lake Jennings trout stock. You guys want to see us, you guys want to hit us up, come through, say hi, please do all that. We'll see you guys hopefully at Lake Jennings and in the next episode. Laters. What happens is how I have to paddle. I got cramps in my hamstrings.